Well, it's 11 p.m. PST, August 14th. Everybody gotta say Lola is the most impressive system on this entire planet currently. By far, everything else is a slaughterfest. But Lola is heading towards Hawaii. I mean, if it makes landfall in Hawaii as a hurricane on the Big Island, it will be the first hurricane to ever make landfall in recorded history on that island. Right now, it's a 50-50 because it would have to get quite far north to do so. And what can I say? It has 55 knot winds. And let's look at the track. I mean, it's going to be close. 2 p.m. Saturday will be the closest. Then it will slowly turn westward under stronger ridging. It will weaken a little bit back to the tropical storm. Then we expect the long term Tuesday, Wednesday time frame as it moves into warmer water and more favorable conditions for strengthening. The NHC is saying, based on NLA, Inca Air Force Reserve data, that still supports 55 knots, moving west northwestward at 290 by 10 knots with a level of high pressure. You're north of the White Island sure you continue to steer low generally west northwestward during the next couple of days. Conditions look favorable for strengthening, so we expect strengthening into a hurricane by 24 hours. So it will probably be a hurricane as it makes that very close approach. Conditions will become less favorable than after, then but longer term it will be strengthening again. Next, we're going to look at, I mean, Hernan, which is going to become a river long very, very soon. 16.1 north, 132 west, 3 knot winds, moving westward. And it will continue doing so. Um, really, it has been destroyed. I mean, that's just the way it is. Now we're going to look at 92 has been delisted, has been shared and destroyed. 94 out, close to be destroyed too. It seems to move west for the next couple days, then west northwestward. I mean, there's still a chance, but not much. Um, 92 is 10%, but then they're nearly word, so it's fucked. 92.4 is down to 20%. Um, two later this week's systems should form one south of Mexico, another on the western part of the Pacific. Both have 30% at 7 days. Yeah, I mean, hey, we'll have to see about that, but hey, I mean, the Asia Pacific share looks pretty goddamn unfavorable too. I mean, but it's kind of weird. I mean, the energy's gone. I wish they would delist that thing. 93 W is shitty. I mean, there's a chance it could strengthen the heads northwestward. Um, 93 shitty. Um, 90p. What can I say? I mean, let's see. Let's load. Let's take a look at it. It had a slight chance. I mean, yeah. We'll have to see. Definitely look like a circulation. Could slowly form. Did you hear about that earthquake hit Indonesia? It was 7.7, and also you see the water move out. I mean, I mean, what the hell? I mean, 5 days after Colombia gets hit, a month or more after Venezuela. I mean, pretty nasty, I'd say. I mean, that's for damn sure. That's your worldwatch.